Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a lipstick declutter today. I'm really excited. So yeah, what I'm going to do first is just take everything out so that start with a clean slate and then we'll put everything back in. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to start with my bullet lipsticks first. So I'm just going to pour them in, just so I can go through them. Okay, so first up I have all of these Revolution Pro new neutral lipsticks. So I think what I'm pretty sure, like I really love the formula of these. So it's pretty much just about colour, but I feel like I do quite like the colour of all of them as well. But I'll just double check and just make sure that they're all ones that, you know, I would reach for. I feel like they all are though, like, yeah, they all seem kind of like, yeah, okay. I really do love these. I love the formula of them. I think they're amazing. They're super affordable as well, so yeah, they are really good. Okay, I have two of these Nude by Nature ones. I feel like they're both shades that I probably wouldn't wear. We have Dusty Nude and O2 Nude. Yeah, I feel like neither of those are ones that I reach for. Plus, I don't exactly like, the formula is not bad or anything, it's just not anything groundbreaking. So I think I will get rid of those. As for all of my Aria Cosmetics ones, I'm going to get rid of all of these. I had a look on her website and like her like Instagram and stuff, and it seems as though she's not making them anymore. I don't know really what the go is. She hasn't posted on Instagram for ages, and when I tried to go on the website it wouldn't even let me on the website. It said like the link was broken or something. I'm sad because I really did love these and I think they were such beautiful lipsticks. And I did really like working with Aria Cosmetics. This was one of the first brands to ever send me PR, so I'm really grateful for that. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of all of these apart from one, just because I feel like you guys can't get these anymore. And they're pretty unique shades, and yeah, I just don't really reach for them anymore. I am less likely to use something if you can't even buy it anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those, but I'm gonna keep one just for the time being, just because it is a black and I do need a black for Halloween. But after Halloween season's over, I think I'll look for a black lipstick alternative. But yeah, so I got rid of a few of my bullet lipsticks. We have MAC in Spirit. Yeah, I definitely will wear that. That's a nice shade. This is the Pixie Lipstick in Coral Red. I feel like that's quite a unique shade. I don't really have something like that, so I will keep that. This is the Sofax Makeup Revolution lipstick in Syrup, and I do really like that shade, so I will keep that one. This is Tarte in Island Life. I feel like I can get rid of that one. It's just not really one that I reach for, so I'll get rid of that. I have a few of the Chi ones. We have Fashion Editor. Yeah, I feel like I can keep that. I don't have too many reds, so we have Hot and Spicy. It's probably one I can live without. I might get rid of that. And then we also have Girl Next Door. I don't know why, I really like that shade. I feel like that just looks really nice. And I don't really have many light pinks, so I might keep that one. Okay, this is the Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick, and I love this. It's such a nice shade. So I will hang on to that. I have three Morphe ones, and I love all of my Morphe lip products. So first we have Wifey, which is just a really nice nude. We have Boo, and then last but not least we have Flirt, and yeah, I really like those shades, so they're gonna stay. Okay. Man, I don't know why I bought these. I just feel like I was really kidding myself. I just don't know if I'm ever gonna need a shade like that. They smell so good. This one's called Everything is Peachy. This one is called Make Up Me Happy. And then the last one is called After School Special. They're such cool lipsticks, but I just don't know if I'm ever going to use them. I think I'm going to hang on to them for now, just because we're in Halloween season. And I feel like you never know what's going to come up. I'll hang on to them for now, and if I haven't used them by Halloween, then I can probably get rid of them. And then the last one I have is the Gingerbread Man, and this one's like a much more neutral, wearable shade, so I'm happy to keep that. Okay, so that's all of the bullet lipsticks. Some of my lipsticks are in my project pan as well, so if you're wondering, there are a few that aren't here, but anyway. I know that I'm obviously using those because they're in project pan, so. And I do my declutter thing at the end of my project pan anyway, so yeah. That's bullet lipsticks. Now let's get on to like liquid lipsticks and glosses and everything. So straight off the bat I can get rid of all these Aria Cosmetics ones because once again I don't think you can get them anymore. So this is the first one. I'll get the other ones as I go. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, this is the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in Clove. I do really quite like all my Kylie ones, so I think I'll keep all of them. We have a velvet in Surprise Me, a velvet in Boy Bye, and another velvet in Savage. I like all of those shades, so they can all stay. This is another Kylie velvet in Goals. We have these BH liquid linens. Okay, so we have Maria, which I will keep. This one here is called Lust. Let's see. I feel like it's a pretty good dupe for like Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I might hang on to that. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Nudie Patootie, and I do quite like this shade, but I just never reach for this, so I can probably pass that one on. This is the Nyx Lingerie in Honeymoon. I just feel like I don't really... It's such a nice brown shade, but I just don't really reach. But I just don't know if I have anything like that, so I might hang on to it. Okay, this is the MAC Retro Matte Lip in High Drama, and I feel like these were so patchy when I tried them. Yeah, I'm gonna pass that along. I don't need it. This is the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Moon. I love this one so much. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I have the Kylie in, this is a matte one in Angel. We have a cocoa one in Gorge. Kylie has some of the prettiest lipstick shades, honestly. I have a few Colourpop ones, and I do really like my Colourpop ones. What's that? Okay, so we have Souffle, Flurries, and Starcrossed, and I do quite like all of these, so I'll keep all of those. And I used them the other day, or used one of them the other day, so I know that I still kind of get my use out of them. Okay, this is the Tarte lip paint in Birthday Suit. I think I can get rid of it though. I just don't really ever reach for it. It is a really pretty shade, but yeah, realistically I just don't reach for it, so that can go. This is a... Oh, I've got these other two MAC ones. So we have Party with the Stars. That's actually such a pretty shade. I don't know if I'd wear it, but yeah, I just feel like I was so disappointed with these. And then the other one is called Dance With Me. Just because they just were so patchy. I do really quite like those shades though. I might hold on to those too. This is another cocoa one in the shade Ochre. Oh, this is the Luna Beauty liquid lipstick in Daydream. I love this. This is such a nice liquid lipstick. Got some more Kylie ones. Okay, we have 3 matte liquid lipsticks in Leo, Kirsten, and Autumn, and I really like all of those, so they stay, and I still do use my Kylie ones a fair bit. Here are all of the rest of my Aria Cosmetics ones. I'm going to get rid of those because, as I said, can't get them anymore. Okay, my Morphe ones. I love my Morphe ones. We have Taunt and True Story. We also have Virgin. So I do like all of those, so they can all stay. And yeah, I do quite like the Morphe formula as well. It's definitely one of my favourites. This is an Anastasia liquid lipstick in Beaming. Hold on to that, that looks really pretty. I don't know how to do this. Anyway, this is the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in Hollyberry. And stay. What's this? These are two Makeup Revolution matte liquid lipsticks in Echelon and Rain. I just don't think I really reach for these. Let me have a look. That one can definitely go. I feel like that's not the shade I really like. That one's quite nice, but I just don't know if I reach for it enough to justify it, you know? I might keep it for now, and then yeah, next time I still don't really reach for it, then it can go. I have a few more Anastasia ones. I do really like all of my Anastasia ones. We have Peachy, On Mute and Sand, so they can all stay. This is the XO Beauty matte liquid lipstick in Strangers. I do like that. That can stay. What's this? This is the Morphe matte liquid lipstick in Jealousy. I do like that as well. Okay, I feel like that's all of my matte liquid lipsticks. So now I'm going to move on to these Colourpop Luxe Velvet ones. I only got these, not long back, but I did a lip swatch video. And so far, I'm going to keep all of them because I haven't had them long enough to kind of decide favourites and stuff. So, I don't want to get rid of any of them yet. And I feel like there's a good variety of shades here. Damn. I might swap and put these matte ones up here. I wonder if there's any matte ones I can get rid of into like... Oh no, they should fit okay. They fit okay like that. Alright, so it'll be like matte liquid lipsticks here and then velvet along here. So yeah, I can put all my Colourpop ones there. They're so close to fitting perfectly, but anyway. Okay, now I've got these two spots for lip glosses. So I have all of my new Colourpop Luxe glosses. Alright, let's go through some ones that I can get rid of first now. So I think I'm going to get rid of these two from Morphe. These are the Icy Lips by Sweetie. I just realistically, I don't think I'm ever going to use these kind of shades. We have 8 Inches and Money Manny. If I was going to do something like this, I'd probably do like a matte liquid lipstick with like a clear gloss. So I don't need those. And then we have Boss Tycoon. Oh no, that one is quite pretty. I think I'll keep that. Okay, what ones can I get rid of? I don't really think there's any glosses that I want to get rid of. To be honest. So Morphe ones there. It's just going to be more about how to store them, if you know what I mean. But you know what I could do actually? I could move these all the lipsticks into this organizer. And then I could put all of my Colourpop glosses in here for now. Because once again, I only got these the other day. There's none that I want to get rid of yet. Okay, and then I might put my lip oils in there as well, my Colourpop lip oils. Okay, and then I can zip that up now. That's another velvet one, so that can go there. Okay, so now I could just start organising these. This is the Mani or the Luna Beauty lip gloss in Enchantment. I love that. It's such a beautiful one. This is the Anastasia gloss in Summer Vibes. I'll try and keep my Morphe glosses together. I do use gloss a lot more now, and I also kind of like wear it out like over a lipstick, if you know what I mean, so I can justify keeping these. So that's all my Fenty ones. I have 2 more Colourpop glosses. I have the So Juicy Plumping gloss, I love this, and I also have the Colourpop Land Roller Gloss. I feel like I just have so many glosses, so I don't know where to put the rest of them. Like that maybe. This is the Kimchi Plumping Gloss. And then I have these 2 face glosses. I do really like these as well. I have Peppermint Bark, Spice Cake, Sugar Plum Eggnog, and Sunset Crush. And I feel like, yeah, I think these are really pretty, and I just like having them for, you know, if I ever want to top something else. So I'm happy to keep those. Okay, and then the last thing that was in my drawer were these glowing lip balms, but I want to move these into more skincare because I feel like lip balms are a bit more skincare-y. So yeah, I will put those over with my skincare. Okay, so this is everything I got rid of. Obviously not like a huge amount, but I did get rid of literally like 50% of my collection when I got rid of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I'm honestly not mad. I'm glad that I kind of weeded out the ones I'm not using anymore. And yeah, I feel like I have to keep some of those unique colours because you never know when you're going to need them. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. I'm going to be doing my whole makeup collection, so yeah, this is kind of like the first part. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!